Montgomery, Alabama.
Okay. They do that big endo. That's in Birmingham.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
I'm just gonna take the shoes off. Hold it up, Doc. L7, hold it up. L7, that's it. Lucky 7. That's it. Got it. That's our sign, L7. Lucky came in third today, everybody. We're at the ESPN World of Sports.
Where's her coach at?
One of them on the other side. Everybody be different places. But we finna go. We're not finna. It's hot. It's 60. Definitely warmed up the track for the teams.
Good morning and welcome to day 3 of the 2018 AAU National Club Championship. On our podium this morning, we have our girls 3,000 meter run, 11-year-old division.
It's the girls that won 1 through 8.
In
all those
8th
girls.
place, from First Coast Track, with a time of 12:50.23, Anna Chain.
Woo! Great job.
Our
you
7th
cheer
is
for all
not
of them.
here.
I would have came in
From
20th.
Focus Athletics, with a time of 12:48.46, Saya Boulder.
Great job.
In 6th place, from Hurry Murray, with a time of 12:44.36, Micaiah Pfeiffer.
Woo! Great job.
I'm sorry, that 6th place was Deandra Spears. In 5th place,
She wrong. They doing
from Virginia Elite, with a time of 12:23.54, Micaiah Pfeiffer.
Woo! Good job. Good job.
In 4th place, from Mallory Challengers, with a time of 12:07.78, Taylor Jones.
Okay. Okay.
In 3rd place,
Woo!
YMCA, with a time of 12:05.71, Curlin Lauren Williams.
Woo! All right, Lucky.
In 2nd place, from Mark Trail, with a time of 11:32.11,
she murdered her name.
Kennedy Reynolds.
Woo! Good job. Good job.
And in 1st place, from the Gainesville, with a time of 11:26.72, Ashley Hamilton.
Great job. Great job, ladies.
Congratulations.
Great job. Picture. Good job, ladies. Great job. Great job, Doc. That's it, Doc. Hold it, Doc.
Oh, girl.
Great job. Let's go to Disney World. Right, that's it for the day. It hurt getting up at 5, but I mean, that's it. Good job. Good job. How are you? I'm good. Congrats. Thank you. Thank you. Need y'all to light it up, because I know you're going to be flying on air. That's lightning right there. That's lightning. It's a long process, though. Well, that's fine. That's your mama's fault. Y'all.
Kira Lauren.
Yeah, this is who she's named after.
Oh, really?
Kira Lauren came from these 4.
Okay.
So that's Kira, Landon, Logan, Cameron. So Kira and Leslie. Yeah. Usually I'm like Logan, Cameron, and it be the one behind her. That's my auntie, get her right. Okay, go ahead. Yeah, they want to go to the slingshot thing, and then we'll probably do SeaWorld tomorrow.
Okay.
And Universal Thursday. Go ahead, go to the bathroom. We could all walk that way. Come on, we'll all walk that way. All right, so she's done for today, right? Yes, ma'am. Hey, Spice. I don't want to see number 15. You the last one to run?
Yeah, I'm gonna be the last person.
I need that lightning. They both need it. We'll see y'all in the morning. Y'all run tomorrow? All right, we'll see y'all in the morning. Good luck, baby. Man, you for the run. I don't think the park opens It's more fun. Oh. Well, we'll do it late when it starts getting dark tonight. So y'all want to go to the pool or something right now?